Hey guys, today I'll be making a video on the Mastercraft generator. The reason I'm making this video is because before purchasing this generator, I was looking online for any reviews and I didn't find any. So I'm making this video to help the next person down the line. Now this is a Mastercraft branded generator, but fear not, it is not made by Mastercraft. It is made by Champion. And of course Champions are Honda clones, so their reliability are very, very good. In fact, if you look in the manual online or paper, it'll state that this unit is covered by the Champion warranty. Of course. I love this blue on it. Love the color. A bit more better than yellow, if it's to my taste. In the front, very simple, very homeowner friendly. We got four 20 amp, 120 volt plugs. You got one 120 volt 30 amp, or more commonly known as the RV plug. And we have a 120 volt, 240 volt, I think it's a 30, or maybe it could be a 40 amp plug here, twist lock of course. And then you have the IntelliVolts where it tells you the hertz, voltage, and runtime. It'll just cycle through when you're running. Unit comes with a battery, so electric start of course. But also it has pull start. It starts on the fourth pull. It's a very, very smooth, silent engine. Of course, padded handle for moving it around. It's a 25 liter gas tank. They claim that it could run 12 hours on 50% runtime, so that's good enough. This is the air filter. Easy to work on, as you can see, not a lot of things in the way. So the air filter, just pop these two clips up and you're out of your way. Carburetor is very accessible if you need to work on your carburetor, or the spark plugs. There's not too much covers in the way, so you won't have a lot of trouble if you do have any issues. Although if you read your manual carefully, Champion does have very good solutions for properly storing this generator so that when you pull it out, it does start. It claims to come with an accessory package. The accessory package in question is a bottle of 530 oil, so it does come with its own oil. So you need to fill it up before you first start it. The funnel to fill up the oil, because of the angle it is in. And it comes with a Champion Smart battery charger with a quick connect feature. I very love this one. So the one on the generator has a cap, so let's say this is in storage. No water would be getting into this connection, and of course your quick charger would be plugged into here, so you can automatically, this will switch on and off to keep your battery tip-top condition. And this is the reason I love this very much, is because you don't have to buy another battery charger to maintain this one. You don't have to take it out of the generator. It's very homeowner friendly. You plug it in and you go. We can go take a look at the box. I did keep the box because I didn't want to buy a cover for the generator, so I utilized the box and the packaging material to make a storage cover out of it. You just cut some holes for the wheels, and I use these angle cardboard braces to brace this up so the wheel doesn't break it all off. So this is what the box would look like in the store. On this side, if you can pause, if you want to pause a little bit, this is what the box says for different wattage, like microwaves, refrigerator, power tools, or whatever. So what is good for? It's just a reference gauge if you're not if you're not used to calculating the watts and starting watts of appliances. And then this is this side of the box, of course. The same thing. It just points out to all the features. For those who don't know, running watt is what this generator will be able to power. Starting watt is whenever your refrigerator pump kicks on, you'll hear a big power surge, and this is what it's able to handle for the surge. More than that, it'll trip the circuit breaker there. So this is your real number, and this is your give or take factor when you're starting and stopping other items. But I'm not an expert in the generator. You should go to the Champion website. They have a very good video on sizing your generator. The main fact that I got this generator is because, one, the price was on clearance, and two, the weight of this generator. This generator is 157 pounds. So it means it's perfect for me and my friend to load in the back of my pickup truck. Or if I'm gone at work and we lose power, the wife or the girlfriend can just go out, pull it out of the shed, and hook it up to the transfer switch and start it, because it has an electric starter. She doesn't need to pull the crank on it, you know what I mean? because once you start to go up in the wattage of these big generators like a 9,000, 10,000, or the 8,000 watts, they become very heavy in the range of 250 pounds, 260, 210. They're very heavy to move around even with one person, even with the handle there. So I think this was a good combination of power to weight ratio. Hey guys, we're back. I just wanted to show you that this is in fact a Champion generator, just branded Mastercraft with the blue color. So we are on the Canadian Tire website. I set the location at a random location. And this is the part number of the generator I featured in my video. So if you search this, you'll be able to find it. So if you scroll down to resources to go to user manual, if you download the manual, you'll have it version PDF, and as you can see, the part says warranty information. It's warranted for 3 years, blah 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 blah. It says imported by Mastercraft. I haven't read the full page of this, but if you go down, Champion Power Sports emission control system warranty, your warranty and right of application. So I know this, you'll say this is only the warranty for the exhaust, but this is just a proof that this was manufactured by Champion generator. So this is the description of the warranty that Champion gives you with this Mastercraft generator. And furthermore, to prove my point, if we go to the Champion website and we put the Mastercraft part number, if we go back to the first Canadian Tire website, so 0550216-8, 0550216-8, and then you can again read the same manual. So Champion do have it on their website listed because they are the manufacturer of this item, only it's another brand. And if you click again on the manual, it'll bring up the Mastercraft generator manual that I was showing you previously. So this is just a little fun tip. I thought it was interesting, to me at least, to have a Mastercraft product, but branded Champion. And if we take a closer look, if we back up one slide here, if we scroll down on their generator on the Canadian Tire, this would be the closest to the Mastercraft. The wattage is the same, although you'll notice the price is the same, but I got mine on clearance. But what is missing is the electric start function. This one has it, this one don't. And if we go click on it, you'll have a broader picture. So the Mastercraft generator is essentially a clone. It's an exact copy of this one, only with what Mastercraft thought would be more of a selling point in Canada. So you're getting the Champion reliability for a Mastercraft product. Thank you very much.